Welcome to Mason the Maker. Today, I'm going to be putting together the mBot. I'm putting on nuts. I need to look at that. Now we're going to put the tires on the wheels. I'm just going to try to kind of have to stretch it. To get it on there, and then you just pull it. You just want it on there. Once it's on, then you don't do the other one. Okay, now I'm putting the boat for this guy, and then in here. So you're supposed to attach it to the middle. And then I'm going to check the instructions to see. So I think the thing is supposed to face this. The thing is supposed to do this, and this thing is supposed to go this way. And then something like this. Now I'm going to open up the robot eyeballs. So I'm just, here they are, and look, it's right here. And you're gonna want to, I think it has something sticking out through it. Oh, we missed one step for something else. You need to touch that. So, let me find it. I don't know, is this it? I don't think that's it. So I'm going to try to find the exact one. Okay, so I made a misunderstanding. This actually is the code. And I'm just going to plug it in like this. So you don't want to slide it. Make sure it's this way. You just slide it in. So now we're going to screw in the eyeballs. So we plugged in this. Now we're gonna put in these four tall screws. So I think what you want to do is you want to grab these like this, and then push them in like this, and then they go in the four corners. And I don't think you need a screwdriver for this, because you can twist it in with your hand. That's as tight as it can go. And then we're gonna do it 3 more times. Okay, so now we're gonna put these connectors through the hole. So this is for the battery. So I'm gonna put these through, and then we're gonna grab the other one. And then it goes through, you have to kind of get it around this. And then push it through. And this is for the battery. And then after that, you don't. Okay, I need to go get the screwdriver first, so I'm gonna go get it. There we go. So, so what is good? So we got this. Now we need a look. Now let's see. So you don't want to get like a little sticker. I think it's in one of these things. I found it. It's right here. And now we're just gonna open it up. And grab out these ones are 2. So I think we just need 1. I don't know. Yeah, but let's check. Just to make sure, yeah, it's one. I think the other one's like full, just in case you lose it. Oh, yeah, the other one's full of this for the battery to go on. So, okay, so now I'm gonna put on the batteries. You need this little Velcro. This is just the extra. Then you just want to push on like this. And that's good. Now you don't add any batteries. So you're gonna push. Don't you know? So I think the flat side goes in the spring. So you don't want this. It's kind of. Let me just There we go. And then you kind of have to like push the battery in a little bit just to get it in. That's good. Okay, there. Now that the batteries are in. So after you add the batteries on, after that we're going to step 8.
Looks like step 10.
On step 10, we're going to add the motherboard. This is the motherboard. It's basically the brain of the robot. So what you don't want to do here, this is right here. So you want to try to line up these, and it says to put it on. It says to put it on this way towards the head. So I'm just gonna push it in like this. And we need this to is not. We need to like push this maybe a little bit down so the motherboard can. This is cord. So I attach the motherboard. You might need to pull in the cord a little bit. So now you're gonna attach it on here on the full little thing. Then you don't want to use this bolt and twist it. You probably don't need a screwdriver for this. You just want to put it in and twist. And once it's on, then you can use it. It's really fun. You can make this thing full of paths and stuff. And yeah, so this thing right now, we're twisting this on. Once you get it on there, this board's good. And now, once you get on the first board, then it should be easy for the rest, because then you can just attach them easily, because that one's already. We're connecting the motors to the motherboard right now. So we're trying to push this in. It's kind of hard. So
Might have to pull it out a little bit more.
yeah. I'm gonna pull this just a tiny bit more, and then I got this right here. Slide it, and then there. And then after that, so we're connecting this wire to 3 and this one to 2. So I'm just gonna push this in right here. This, alright, it's in. It snaps when it's in. And then after that, then you can turn it. I think this goes into the back. I think it goes. I don't know. I think that's for a different project, because there's different projects I can do with this. So I'm just gonna plug this in, and then.
What do you think, Mason?
Look, you can turn it like this, and then go forward. Okay, I'm done. So look, it goes forward and backwards, left, right. But there's all these other modes I have to figure out what to do. I'm super excited I'm done with this. It's really, really cool. You can move, look, I can make it go forward, backwards. It just moves all over. So this is really, really fun. Look, I can make it come to me. Watch this. So it's pretty cool. You should probably buy these ones. You can buy them on Amazon. These ones are really cool. There's different ones I can do. And this one, there's all these other buttons to do. Now we're gonna make it line following mode. So I have the, you wanna press C on this, and it follows the path.